Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. Okay, after that you record an empty background for a few seconds or minutes, then you move in. Then what you are going to do is just make a jump. All right, then you can now do a thumbs up or anything of your choice. All right, after that you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, guys. Click on your video and go and locate volume. Click on volume and reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Mark out an empty background for this video. Click on this video now, make a split. Go and locate overlay. Click on overlay now. Click on it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Locate where you jump up, guys. Locate where you jump up. Immediately you jump up, click on the video. Go and locate freeze. Locate freeze, guys. Click on freeze now. Click on this first part. Delete it, we don't need it again. Click on this one and drag it. Then you click on it. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point now, we want to add key. So you click on your video, add keyframe. Okay, click on keyframe. Then you drag this video up and cropple it. Cropple it. As you drag that character, cropple it. Cropple it, guys. Cropple it. After croppling it now, you adjust the video a bit. Then you start pulling it out again. Pull it out until the video align with the main video, with the background. Pull it out. Pull it, guys. Pull it out. Let it align. All right. Pull it out. After that, you still adjust the video again a little bit. Still adjust the video. Then you drag the character down. Drag the character down. No, it's okay. It's too much. Make it align with the background. After that, now let us see what it look like. Play it. Let's see what it look like. Good. This is good. This is good. So we are going to be clicking on it. You make a split. Delete that last part. We don't need it again. Then you come back now. Come back. Come to the front. Click on add overlay. Add your bed, your green screen bed now. All right. Now if you need this green screen bed or any other effect you see on this video, just DM me, then I will send it to you. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for being there. Welcome to the tutorial. Click on this your green screen. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key now. Drag it. Mark on that good and go back. Click on it again and go and look for adjust, guys. Look for adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. Click on adjust. HSL. Look for it. Look at it there. Click on it now. Mark on that green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Reduce it. Then you mark on that good and go back. Yes. Click on that. Turn it. Then you expand it. After turning it, expand it. Drag it up a little bit. Drag it up a little bit. So at this point, let's play it to now we are going to be making a split somewhere here. So click on it here, this place. Click on it now. Then you make a split. Then you adjust a little bit again. We are going to be making another split here now. Make a split. Delete that last part. We don't need it again. So at this point now, click on that video and make it align on top of this one. Then you click your green screen, the one you cut out. Add your keyframe. Then adjust it a little bit. Cropple that bed to that character. Cropple the bed to the character now. All right. Cropple that bed to the character. Cropple the bed. Cropple it completely. Cropple it inside the character. All right. After croppling it now, we are going to play it. Let's see what it looks like. Good. So come back now. click on this one and drag it to come and align with these ones. Make it align. All right. Look at what it will look like. The landing is not okay. Click there and trim it a little bit, then drag it to align again. Let's see what it look like. Let's see what it look like. I still do not like the landing. Click on it and bring it down to that green screen. Bring it down. Bring this other layer down. All right, the last one here, bring it down. Let's play it now and see. Good, this landing is okay. So play the video now. Let's see. Good. So this is nice. This is nice. So this is nice. We have gotten what we want. So that is the video. So at this point, let us cut out the part we don't want. At this point, this place now, I just click on it and make a split. Click on the background, make a split. Delete the background. Click on this one and delete it. So at this point, as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. Okay, so what will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video. But remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. But don't worry, in one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Watch the video. After that, you will learn and know how to come and export this your video. Then you export it to your gallery, share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.